So here we have the Power Systems G-TEC air compressor. This particular unit is a 7.5 kilowatt machine. The range stems from 7.5 up to 22 kilowatts. Within that range we also provide 11 and 22 kilowatt variable speed drive versions. The G-TEC range is a complete packaged compressed air system. So here we have the rotary screw air compressor unit itself. It's controlled with a DNAir 2 controller. The G-TEC package also further includes the air receiver, refrigerant air dryer at this end here, and also includes a twin stage filter package as well. The idea of the G-TEC series is simply to take the machine off the pallet, put it to a power supply and connection to your compressed air network, and the machine is ready to run as a complete air system. So here you can see we've removed the front maintenance panel for the G-TEC air compressor. When you remove the front panel, you will see we've got access to the service items that are required to be maintained as part of this compressor. At the front here you can see we've got the air oil separator, which is a spin-on filter. Behind it we have the oil filter, which again is a spin-on filter. Up the top here we have our air filter, minimum pressure valve in the front of the block here, oil fill here, oil level indicator here, and our oil drain valve here. You can see on the G-TEC compressor we've got this belt guard here protecting the pulley and the drive belt itself. And under the front here we also put down the belt tensioning frequency to which the belt should be correctly adjusted when the belt is changed. So here we have now removed the maintenance panel for the dryer and the filters for the G-TEC air compressor. Down here you can see we've got a twin stage filter pack which both protects the dryer and also provides oil removal concentration down to 0.01 micron.